In this video, I'll show you how to add apps to the dock on your Mac. The dock is the bar at the bottom of your screen where you can keep your favorite apps for quick access. To get started, open Finder on your Mac. Then, go to the left-hand side and click on Applications. Here you'll see all the apps installed on your Mac. Now find the app you want to add to the dock. Once you find it, simply click and drag the app icon down to the dock. Place it where you want it to appear, then release your mouse or trackpad. The app will now stay in your dock, so you can open it quickly anytime. Another way to do this is to open the app first. Once the app is open, you'll see its icon appear in the dock. Right-click on the app icon, hover over Options, then click Keep in Dock, and that's it. The app is now added to your dock. You can repeat the same steps for any other app you want to add. So that's how you add apps to the dock on Mac OS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.